Good day, I am Glaiza Novicio from BSA1K and this is my lecture video about soil science, together with Mr. Zeus Ramos, a grade 12 STEM student, as my audience. Good day, Mr. Ramos. I am going to talk about soil science, so I hope you will listen to me and will learn from me. Okay? Um, First, what is soil science? Soil science is a science that deals with the study of the soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth, which includes the soil formation, physical, chemical, biological, and fertility properties, and the classification and mapping, which means soil holds and grows plants, filters water, provides home for billions of organisms, and stores nutrients. Next is, we study soils in two ways. First, pedological approach. Second, the edaphological approach. Pedological approach is it considers soil as a natural body with major emphasis on its genesis and classification as it occurs in the environment. It is like where did the soils come from, how old it is, and what is it made of. Next, or the second, is the edaphological approach. Edaphological approach deals with the influence of soils on living things such as plants and agricultural land. So, if you're a geologist or an engineer, you might focus on pedological approach. And if you're a farmer, you might focus on edaphological approach. Next is the soil. The soil itself. It is a dynamic natural body formed from weathering or breaking down of rocks and minerals, and the composition of organic matter, mineral matter, soil water, and soil earth. And it also possesses distinct characteristics which in turn influence plant growth. Let's proceed to the four major components of soil. As you can see, the four major components of soil is mineral matter, organic matter, soil air, and soil water. And let's talk about the volume of the components of the soil. The volume of mineral matter in the soil is 45%, which composed of rocks weathering, such as sand, silt, and clay. The next is the organic matter in the soil. The volume of the organic matter in the soil is only 5%, which composed of 80% humus. Humus is a black soil decomposed of plants and animals. So 80% humus, 10% roots, and 10% organisms like soil organisms or microorganisms. Next is the volume of soil water. Its volume is 25%. Soil water dissolves nutrients and also helps carry nutrients from soil particles to the plant roots, allowing the plants to absorb the elements they needed for plant growth. And the last is the soil air. The soil air also the volume of soil air is also 25%. Soil air is contains gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, which allows for gas exchange to support both plant roots and soil organisms. So, do you have any questions about the four major components of the soil?
Why do you think soil air and soil water is important?
It's because roots need water to absorb nutrients and oxygen for respiration. Too much or too little of either can harm the plant growth. Do you still have any questions about it?
No. Please proceed.
Okay, okay. So next is the function and uses of soil. Soil is more than just dirt, but it also serves as a medium for plant growth, a filter and purifier for water, a habitat for organisms, and a support structures for buildings, and lastly, a recycler of nutrients and waste. And so that's all for the discussions about soil science. Do you have any questions about all I discussed to you?
None.
Okay, so if none, then that's all. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you learned something about my discussion, and also thank you for your time.